Hi, my name is Toinette, and I'll be doing an experiment today on the synthesis of fragrance and esters. In this experiment, there's three alcohols: methanol, ethanol, and ethanol. There's also three different carbolic acids, which is acidic, butyric, and salicylic acids. I added the 5 drops methanol in test tube 1, and then I added ethanol in test tube 2, 5 drops of ethanol in test tube 3, and added 2 drops of sulfuric acid into each tube, as well as 4 drops of acetic acid into each number of tubes. Boiled, I added 20 drops of the water from the boil. Okay, now test tube 1, go ahead and see what you smell here. Okay, I smell like a berry scent from test tube 1. Okay, and then test tube 2. It's like a fruity glue, fruity scent. And test tube 3. It's like a banana scent. Part 2 of experiment, synthesis of fragrant esters. I've placed 4 drops of uric acid into tubes 4, 5, and 6. And we do have 4 tubes this time. They're number 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I place 5 drops of the methanol into test tube 4, 5 drops of ethanol into test tube 5, 5 drops of ethanol into test tube 6, and I added 2 drops of sulfuric acid into each one of the tubes. I placed 0.2 grams of salicylic acid into and transferred it into from this little cup here into test tube number 7. And then I added 6 drops of the methanol into test tube 7. And I aggregated it a little bit and shook it up and mixed it. And then I added 2 drops of concentrated sulfuric acid into test tube 7. And then I shook the test tube as well. And I boiled the water. And I set the tubes in there for 5 minutes. So I repeated what's part 1 of the synthesis of fragrance esters. I added 20 drops of the water from the beaker into each test tube. And now we're going to test the fragrance. So this is test tube number 4 here. Test tube number 4 smells like an apple scent. And I'm getting from there. Okay, and this is test tube 5. Smells like a pear. I have a pear scent to that one. And test tube number 6. Winter, like a mint winter green. Smells really nice. Okay, and we'll have test tube number 7. It also smells like a mint winter green scent as well. Okay, and this is the end of our experiment. Thank you.